Let's start this bulletin with some breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast. The Prime Minister has now doubled down against fake videos. The Prime Minister has said that technology is being misused to make fake videos. Now, this is the Prime Minister who's talking about fake videos. He said that those who are losers resort to making obscene videos. And this is, of course, the Prime Minister talking about the circulation of video of Amit Shah, which is now being deemed fake. The Prime Minister has also appealed to report doctored videos as well, and he's also promised legal action against morphed videos.
लेकिन जो लोग चुनाव हार चुके हैं, मैदान खो चुके हैं, ये लोग इन दिनों टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करके फेक वीडियो बना रहे हैं। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का दुरुपयोग करते हुए मेरी आवाज में ऐसी भद्दी चीजें आजकल सोशल मीडिया में डाल रहे हैं कि बहुत बड़ा खतरा पैदा हो रहा है। और इसलिए मेरी देशवासियों की अपील है कि कोई भी फेक वीडियो आपको नजर आए, आप पुलिस को जानकारी दो, हमारी पार्टी को जानकारी दो, कानून इन लोगों पर कार्रवाई होगी और उनको सबक सिखाया जाएगा।
My colleague Neha joins us live on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Neha, the Prime Minister is in Karnataka, and incidentally, he ended up talking about fake videos, which of course he says are doctored using technology. Help us understand the context of what he said and also which exactly was the video that he's referring to.
Well, yes, Ashish, of course, videos have been raking up a political storm in the state of Karnataka as well. Of course, in the latest now, we're seeing the Prime Minister there taking a drive at, in fact, the Congress leaders here who have been raking up the issue now of Prajwal Revanna. Now, as far as the Prime Minister, of course, is concerned, we're seeing that he's very clearly gone on to make a statement there that, it is the age of AI and that several people are having to, of course, suffer, suffer at the receiving end of the AI, how there are several fake videos that are being propagated right now, that are, being circulated. Remember, of course, this also now comes at a time when we're seeing many videos reportedly of Prajwal Revanna that have surfaced over here in the state of Karnataka. What we're picking up is that, while, of course, so far, nobody from the BJP or the JDS for that matter had thoroughly commented on this matter, the state government, of course, had formed an SIT to probe the authenticity of these videos that had surfaced of Prajwal Revanna. We're being told that a police complaint was, of course, filed. An FIR also was registered in that matter. But as far as the investigation into this particular case, the SIT would, of course, take it forward. But the Prime Minister there, not mincing his words, making a very, very sharp attack.
Right, Neha, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details. In fact, Amit,